the shop today. We're going to work on the Vtwin again. I got the gantry set up. We're going to lift the front end up, pull this old cast iron front axle out, and build us a tube frame or tube style front axle for it, move it forward. Well, let's get started. All right, guys, I've already taken the linkage that goes from the steering box off up to the front axle. Now I'm going to take this front weight boom here off, get it out of the way, and then we'll get the center bolt out and hopefully drop everything down out and have this thing out here in just a couple minutes. Alright, I need to grab a couple more tools. Be right back. Impact here. Make my life a little bit easier, hopefully. Get the right socket on it, of course. Hey, look at that. This one's going to be, seems like it's going to be pretty easy to get off. Most of the time, this center bolt on these tractors wears out and it gets a lip in it, like a notch. And sometimes it's a pain in the rear to be able to get that thing off, driven back through to get the bolt out. But this one here seems like it's pretty easy. I'm going to lower it down here, finish driving it out, and then pick it back up and clean some stuff up. Alright, there's the bolt out. I'll lower this back down and get in out. And there's the front axle out. So next thing I'll do is I'll get it up on the workbench and pull the tires and stuff off and start pulling the spindles and stuff off the ends here. Get it laid out so I know my measurements and everything, so I can start building the tube axle. On the workbench here, I'm gonna pull these center bolts out of both sides, get these wheels off, and maybe. one. Almost frightened me. Alright, back to the video. Sorry about that. Had a visitor come in. Want to bullshit for a little while. Back to taking this part. I'm going to take this cross link out here, drag link, and then we'll take the bolts out of the spindles, get the spindles out, get everything cleaned up, and we'll be done for now. So. Alright, there it is. Got them all off. We'll get them all cleaned up. Start making the new tube axle, which is just going to be, it's going to be a straight axle, comes across this way, and so drop the front end of the tractor down. Be a lot lighter than this cast iron, and still debating whether I want to make new spindles and stuff for it, and actually lower these, bring them up higher, or if I'm just going to use these stock ones. I guess time will tell. So, all right. All right, thanks for stopping by again today at the shop. Watching me tear this front axle out of the tractor and tearing it apart. Coming up, I'll get this laid out and drawn up for building our tube axle and everything. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, let's go out there and bend some wrenches. Talk to you later.